Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add an all-day event on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen, and in here open up the calendar app. Next, tap on the add button to create a new calendar event. Then type in the title. So I'm just going to give it a title, Samsung S22 Masterclass, and then at the top here tap on all day, and in here you can see here all day, it goes from Tuesday to the end of Tuesday. So go to the end of the day and then tap on save. Sorry, if we go back into here and then tap on edit. So I'm going to edit it. Now we go down and you can choose which calendar to save to. So you can save it to My Calendars, to Samsung account calendar, or to Google Calendar, depending on which account you have signed in. And down here you can choose an alert type. So it will send you notifications the day before the event so that you are aware of an upcoming event in your calendar. You can choose whether to repeat this event or not, and you can add in some additional notes or any attachment from Picture Gallery or from Samsung Notes. After that, you can tap on the save button. Now just one more thing is at the top here, you can also tap on an icon to choose to add an icon right next to the event. So in here, you can choose an icon type that you want to use. So swipe across and select an appropriate icon that you want to use. So you've got spots, you've got icons on the things that we normally use, such as arrows or numbers, and we've got flags. So just select something that you want to use, and then tap on saved, and that's it. So now we have created an all-day event in the calendar with an icon as well. And that is how you can create an all-day event on the Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.